A heartwarming tale of a father and daughter. Once upon a time, there was a loving father and his adorable daughter. They lived in a small house near a beautiful meadow. Every evening, the father would take his daughter for a walk in the meadow. One day, as they were walking, they came across a wounded bird with a broken wing. The little girl immediately felt sorry for the bird and wanted to help. The father gently picked up the bird, careful not to hurt it further. They brought the bird home and created a cozy space for it in a box. The daughter named the bird Sunny because it reminded her of the bright sun. Every day, the father and daughter would take turns feeding and taking care of Sunny. As time went by, Sunny's wing gradually healed. The little girl was overjoyed to see Sunny's progress. One sunny morning, the father suggested that it was time for Sunny to go back to its natural habitat, where it could fly freely. With a heavy heart, the little girl agreed. They took Sunny to the meadow where they had found it. The father opened the box, and Sunny hesitated for a moment, as if it wanted to stay with them. But then, with a few flaps of its wings, Sunny took off into the sky. The little girl watched with admiration as Sunny soared high above the meadow. Although she felt a twinge of sadness, she knew that Sunny deserved to be free. The father hugged his daughter tightly, proud of her kindness and compassion. From that day on, whenever they saw birds flying in the sky, the father and daughter would smile, knowing that they had helped one bird find its way back home. And their bond as father and daughter grew stronger, knowing they could make a difference in the lives of others.